Hello everyone, welcome to Melda 242. Today is the day of our 4th July feast collaboration. Myself along with 3 other culinary content creators are doing it big today. Before I begin, think about this question. What is a feast without potato salad? Well, if you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. I'm using 3 colors of bell peppers today, but this is optional. Use what you have. If you have 1 color, you use that. Okay, I'm going to allow them to saute in this oil just to get soft. Now, if you want to add them in your salad raw, feel free to do so. The salad is still going to be great, but this method helps to reduce the amount of acid in them for me. So you work yours and I'm gonna work mine. But I'd like you to try it this way. This is really different. And I thank God for the day I found this recipe. I want you to try it. God bless you. Now the potatoes are cooled, and of course I drained the liquid out of them. So they're ready. I'm just cutting up some parsley over there. Now watch what I'm going to do with these eggs. God bless you. Doing it like this, the yolk is evenly distributed throughout the salad. Continue watching. Okay, the amount of mayo for this salad, it's on you today. You work it. But before I go on with the mixing, let's meet the team. In the kitchen with Lynn, Tashonda, Renee, Beverly Black, and yours truly, Melda 242. Their links will be below this video, so please check them out at the end. God bless you, and thank you in advance. Never serve from the same dish that you mix in. Transfer it into something else. How does that sound? God bless you. This is potato salad. there you have it, potato salad. Yes, what is a 4th of July feast without potato salad? God bless you, and God bless the United States of America. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.